All right, so that was Buck and Johnny's in Breaux Bridge, Louisiana. This is Saturday morning. What time is it?
10:41.
10:41, and they were partying like hell.
Yeah, it starts at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Johnetta says it starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. Breaux Bridge.
Breaux Bridge.
Only on Saturdays do they have the music though.
Okay.
Saturday morning zydeco breakfast.
That's right. $15, endless mimosas and Bloody Marys.
Take back what you said about Breaux Bridge.
Okay, I take it back.
See, it's not just junk. Huh? Trying to figure out where she's going. Good morning. We are in Henderson, Louisiana at the Cajun Palms RV Park. Cajun Palms probably has about 500 sites. Right now, it's totally deserted. But over the weekend, I would say they were about 30 to 40% filled. This RV park is sort of a party park over the weekends. And as typical in a party park, you'll get lots and lots of kids, lots of young couples, and lots of noise. We are about 100 yards away from the pool, and the pool area was jumping over the weekend. If you like bass, then this is a place for you because it thumps all day long. On Sunday, after most people had left, I actually had to call the front office to ask them to turn down the sound at the pool because it was just getting very annoying. The Cajun Palms RV Park has 3 pools and a hot tub. They also have a fishing lake and a workout room. So it's a very nice park. I probably wouldn't stay here more than a few days, but it does provide a nice jumping off point to visit Lafayette, New Iberia, and Baton Rouge. Today, we're going to travel down to Avery Allen to visit the Tabsco Factory. The tour costs $5.50 a person, so it's well within our wheelhouse. If we're up to it, we're also going to do the tour of the garden area. That's another $8, but we'll see. All right, so we are here at the Tabsco Museum. This is the first part of the tour, and we'll be going out on that in a few minutes after we look through the museum.
Distinct flavor evolves. As soon as ripe, red Tabasco peppers are hand-picked from the fields, they are mixed with a dash of salt and ground into a pulp called mash. The mash is placed into white oak barrels. At first, however, the barrels are carefully cleaned in preparation for their use in aging the pepper mash. Then, coopers replace all original barrel hoops with stainless steel hoops. Once the barrels have been properly restored, they are filled with the newly ground pepper mash. Topped by a layer of salt to keep out impurities, the barrels are stacked one on top of another, up to 6 high. Inside the barrels, the mash ages for up to 3 years. allowing the flavors to fully evolve and the raw pepper mash to gradually mellow. After the aging is complete, a McElhenney family member checks the mash for flavor and heat level. Once approved, the mash is transferred to the Tabasco Factory. There, under careful guidance, it will become Tabasco pepper sauce.
I'm gonna do something I probably shouldn't do.
Is that real salt?
Yeah, it's real. Looks like they're bottling the green, I think it's the habanero sauce. There's a red sauce being bottled in the back. There, you can see that. This is a bottle filler, I think. So they produced 168,610 bottles today. 20, 30, 40. This is the old state capitol in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We'll be visiting here, and then we'll be going over to the Art and Science Museum, the River Walk. No, that's not what it's called. The River something or other. And then finish up at the casino today. I think he took Louisiana out of the mud by building new roads and bridges.
And
I think it was the last
best
time that
time.
they worked on their roads in Louisiana was when Huey Long was in charge.
Yeah.
And that was
The 29.
1929. Disparaging their roads, they're going to kick you out of here.
But we'll have election results in just a few minutes, and then we'll start training them on their duties, and then they'll start debating bills.
Oh, okay.
They've been writing bills all year in their social studies and history classes back at school, and they'll come here and debate these bills.
So we have representatives from
They're all local schools,
okay.
schools from around the state. Yeah.
Okay, so all parishes.
Yeah, well, it's not quite all parishes, but a lot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think
Now.
right now they are voting for a governor, and they're voting for president of the Senate and Speaker of the House.
Cool. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Did you just record us?
This is a USS Kidd. Normally you can go and visit and walk around the ship, but they said it's closed for maintenance. We have learned that they are shooting a movie here, and Tom Hanks is actually on the ship as we speak. I do not have my zoom lens, so I'm not going to be able to focus in on anything here. But you get the picture. Look, there's the green screen way back there.
He's a really nice
I'm kind of
person.
stalking him. Don't tell me.
Really?
I mean, not really. I've loved him since I was a little girl, and something about him reminds me of my dad. And I don't know.
Right next door is Crayfish Town or Crawfish Town. There's a walking path to get to it from the RV park, so we're just going to head there and grab some dinner before getting back to the RV. We're packing up now, and we're heading to Galveston Island. It's about a 4-hour drive, so we'll probably have to stop and have some lunch and get gas. And we're going to take the ferry over to Galveston Island instead of going through Houston. All right, we will see you from Galveston Island, Texas.